Have a nice day, everyone. Before I will go to this part 7, please, I am waiting your comments and your suggestions about any subjects or any errors. By the way, some friends asked me about to share my email. Okay, I will share it. Also, my WhatsApp accounts at the end in this video and the comments. Also, did any friend hear about the ATA chapter 104? We knew all the ATA chapter 100 from 5, 6, 7 until 57. This is for the airframe, and from the 70 until 80 for power plant. But the chapter 104, I didn't hear about that before. Did you aware of it and your interest of it? Okay, please comment to give me the feedback. Now, let us go to the life-limited parts in chapter 35, oxygen. The item number 1, the gaseous lavatory oxygen container or oxygen cylinder or oxygen bottle, discarded because it has a life limit time. Okay, I think it is the 15 years, but please go to your CMM, okay, component maintenance manual of it, or on the wall of the cylinder you will see many data about it: hydrostatic test, the expiration date, the weight, so and so, the pressure, some data. Here, the FAA, this for the aircrafts in United States of America. The FAA said that no more emergency oxygen in airplane lavatories. I get it from this source at this date, March 11, 2011. It said the last month means the February 2011, said ordered every airline in the United States of America to remove emergency oxygen in every lavatory on all 6,000 domestic commercial aircraft. This for enter of USA, but if you are foreign out of USA, please take care that your lavatory and your aircraft has this bottle or no. The item number 2, discard portable oxygen bottle. The portable oxygen bottle here. It has also the life-limited parts. Where is it? In the control cabin and the passenger cabin. Go to the LUBA to see the location of it. Number 3, discard the chemical oxygen generators. Here, this is the location above your seat, overhead. If the pressure in the cabin decrease, the masks will drop forward your face. Then take it and wear it, okay, to breathe the oxygen. Here, some details about the oxygen generator. Item number 4, discard protective breathing equipment. This is for the crew in the cockpit, not in the passenger. So also these items has life limited parts. Okay. Thank you very much and goodbye.